Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete projects on CapCut. If you are looking for a way to delete your projects on CapCut, then first of all, open the CapCut application on your mobile device and log into your account if necessary. Once you're in the home page, go ahead and look for the Projects tab, which should be available inside the Edit section. Now, click on the three dots in order to select one of the projects you'd like to delete. I'm going to choose the first one. Simply tap the three dot on the right and then from the menu that pops up, click on Delete. Tap on the Move button to send this item to trash can and you will then be able to delete the project. Repeat this step for every other project you'd like to delete. Now once you do that, the project will be residing in your trash for 7 days. After 7 days, the project will then be removed permanently. So that is how you easily delete projects on CapCut. If you found this helpful, give it a like, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more editing tips and tutorials. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.